Okay, now that I've got the new, I've got the brackets on in place on the new screen on both sides, we're going to go ahead and take the power source and just plug it right in. I'm going to fold back the tape and just lock it right into place. You'll be able to feel it lock into place. And for this, I think I'm just going to take off my gloves so I can get a better sense of it. And I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. There's one side, I felt it lock in, and there's the other. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now I'm going to go ahead, secure that down very carefully, and I'm not touching anything else. Alright, so now the next step is just to put this back in place. Now all you're going to do from here, that's all I'm going to do now. We're going to go ahead flip this screen up, and I'm just holding it carefully on the edges. And you can feel it kind of like snapping into place. Now I've got two screws just to put on. I've got one on each side which will hold this in, and then we'll put the top bracket back in on the top and then again on the bottom. So just being careful, and I'm going to use my magnet here, but I'm going to pull out a lot of other screws. And once I get this other side in, then I will just give you a couple other quick pointers, and that will do it. And then we'll power it up just to show you that it works well. And this is why you kind of want to just hold everything in place while you do this. Go, nice and secure. Alright, so I still want to be careful with holding this. A couple of key things to remember. The bracket that attaches to the side of the screen has to sit underneath here on both sides. That's the only way it's going to stay in place, and that is the correct way of doing it. So once we get those back in, then you'll go ahead and start putting the screws back into place, so that way everything gets held up. Put the brackets in and put the battery back in, power it up. You should be all good to go. So this has been a General Zod's production, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, leave comments, let me know what you think. Thanks all, and have a great day, and all shall kneel before Zod.